Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are in good condition, okay? Yeah, so today, welcome back to my video. Now you are with me again, Anggun. So today, I want to share 5 ideas on how to use this one. Yeah, flashcard. Okay. I'm sure most of you are already familiar with this media, right? Okay. But guys, did you know if we can use various ways when we use flashcard? Yes or no? No? Yes? Okay, so today to make it fun, to make it interesting, so I want to share 5 ideas to make fun learning with flashcards. Are you ready? Yes, ready? Okay, here we go.
Flash quickly.
Yeah, okay. For the first is flash quickly. Like its name, flash quickly, so you have to flash your card quickly, like this. Okay, got it? Okay, for example, hello students. Okay, so here, look at this. Ooh, Miss Anggun has 5 cards. Good job. Okay, now I want you guess what is this. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, good job. For the first time. 1, 2, 3. Oops, what is it? Wow, what is that? Okay, yeah, giraffe. Good job. It is a giraffe. Good. Next. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops, what is that? What is that? Yeah? Yeah, good job. It is an owl. Good. Like that. Is it right?
Slowly.
Okay guys, second one is slowly. So, you have to prepare your flashcard first, this one, okay, and then cover it like this. Okay, it's already covered. And then after that, you should show the card slowly, like this. Yeah, like that. Got it? Yes? Okay, let's practice. Okay, my students. So here, look at this. Are you curious? Yes? Okay. Okay, let's guess. Okay, first one. Okay, be careful. Yeah, correct. It is a zebra. Good job. Next one. Yes? Can you guess? Yeah. This is a giraffe. Good job. Okay, like that, guys.
Throw the ball.
So the third one is throw the ball. So in this part, you have to prepare first a ball, and then plaster, and then of course flashcard. Okay. Okay, so after you have prepared, then you have to stick the flashcard into whiteboard like this. Okay. Okay guys, you can stick the flashcard wherever you want. Okay, then invite your students to come in front and ask your student. For example, what is your favorite animal? And then your student will throw this ball to the picture. Okay? For example, my student's favorite animal is zebra, so he or she will throw the ball to zebra. Like this. Got it? Okay? Okay, let's practice. Okay? Okay. Hi, my students. So, please, I will choose student. Okay. Maya, please come in front. Yes. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, Maya. What is your favorite animal? Okay. Alright. So, what is your favorite animal, Maya? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. What is your favorite animal? Elephant. Oh, good. Elephant. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Elephant. Yeah. This is a elephant, not elephant. Yeah. Okay. So Maya, please tell us what do the elephants look like? Okay.
They have big body. They have 4 legs.
Yeah.
They have a long trunk.
Yeah. Good job. So they have big body. They have 4 legs, and then they have long trunk. Good job. Okay, like this.
What's missing?
Okay, the fourth one is what's missing. So in this part, you have to stick your flashcard on the whiteboard first, like this. Okay, if already done, please mention one by one what is the vocabulary. For example, this one. What is this animal? Okay, this is an elephant. Yeah. Zebra, owl, kangaroo, and giraffe. Okay. After that, ask your student to close their eyes. Then you should pick one picture. For example, I will pick zebra, and then let your student to guess what is the missing card. Okay? Yeah? Good job. Let's practice. Okay. Okay, students. Now, please mention one by one. Okay. What is this animal? It is an elephant. Yeah. It is a zebra. Then it is an owl. Good job. And this is a kangaroo. And last, it is a giraffe. Yeah. Okay, now please close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't be cheating, yeah. Don't be cheat. Okay. Okay, open your eyes.
puzzle.
Okay, and the last is puzzle. So, in this part, you have to prepare scissors and your flashcard. Then, cut your flashcard into pieces. For example, like this. Ooh, I cut it into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, then if already you can put your students into 2 or 3 groups. Then ask your student to arrange the puzzle as fast as they can. After that, the winner will be described. They will describe the animal based on the puzzle. Okay. Got it? Yeah? Okay. Let's practice. Okay, good job. Okay, group B, please tell us about that animal. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
It is a giraffe. It has a long neck. It has 4 legs. It has a short tail.
Yeah, it is a giraffe. It has a long neck. It has 4
Legs.
legs. And then it has a short
Tail.
tail. 1, 2, 3. A short.
Tail.
Okay, good job. Give applause to Group B. Okay, what do you think, guys? It was more interesting and more fun rather than just showing the card type. Yeah, I hope you can get the benefit from this